Right, we're on something that you probably haven't seen before, and let's get it out of the way first. This is not an Ariel Atom. I'm here with the owner, Colin, and this is an ASBO 4.
Yeah.
Tell us what an ASBO is, Colin.
ASBO is a creation of a guy called Robin Davis, who basically does it as a hobby, and he's done everything from scratch, really. And this is the fourth one that he's made.
And I believe his production time, the article was in one of the Kit Car magazines a few years ago. He knocked them out ridiculously quickly. In the time that a load of us couldn't put together a manufacturer's car, he was knocking these out really quickly.
Yeah, once he got the jigs, he was really good. He's very particular, and and to detail is unbelievable. From even the bolts have been ground down, chamfered, just for the weight. He's very focused on weight and power ratio.
So what does this weigh then?
440 kilograms.
Okay, and what's pushing it along in the back there?
GXXR 1000 Suzuki engine, which has been mapped to 185. So
brake horsepower a ton. My old school maths is about 500.
About that, yeah.
That's pretty impressive. That really is.
With bike acceleration as well, so yeah.
And obviously sequential gearbox.
Sequential gearbox, yeah.
So, and this is, you going out on the road, or is this just a track toy?
Purely track toy, this one. Yeah. So the head for lightness, so it's got no reverse gear, doesn't need it. So it keeps down on the weight, and the lighter gearbox then, and diff.
Ah, okay, so you haven't got to worry about reverse box or that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really interesting. And you've got some great cars on your stand here. Tell us a little bit more about Kitnet.
Yeah. Well, Kitnet is basically anyone with a kit can join. It doesn't matter what you've got. It could be a crappy rust bucket to a Cobra to Caterhams. We've got pretty much everything. We do everything from going around runs out. We run our own track days and go to shows like this, and and it's doing really well. It's very cheap to join, and everyone enjoys it for the forum and for the expertise. And you also get, if people are stuck doing stuff, there's always someone on the forum that can basically tell you what to do.
You do wonder what we did before we wrote letters to magazines and that kind of thing, didn't we?
The answers are there a lot quicker than you think now, and you can do it from someone experienced rather than hoping Google's right.
No, exactly what you're saying. Brilliant. Thank you for showing us that, Colin. It's really interesting little car.
Yeah, it's brilliant. No problem at all.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.